Prime Minister Andrew Holness, leading for Jamaica or serving elite agendas. Jamaica's Prime Minister Andrew Holness has been accused by some of projecting an image of authority, while in reality he is a glorified frontman. Andrew Holness has faced criticism for projecting an image of strong leadership, while in reality, Holness appears to cater to powerful interests, including elite local groups like the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, and international bodies such as the World Economic Forum, WEF, and the World Health Organization, WHO. Critics argue that his policies often align more closely with these influential entities than with the needs of ordinary Jamaicans. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the government enforced strict mandates seen by some as a way to encourage widespread pharmaceutical compliance, while leaving borders open to tourists, prioritizing economic over public health interests. Many felt these measures targeted the less affluent, especially as government officials were reportedly seen attending events and disregarding restrictions. Additionally, Holness's push for a national identification system, NIDS, widely supported by international organizations, but ultimately struck down by the court over privacy concerns, left many questioning its true purpose. With ongoing challenges like water shortages, poor infrastructure, and a lack of hospital beds, this approach has fueled perceptions that Holness's leadership favors external agendas over critical local needs. Like, share, subscribe, follow.